Today I'll discuss about the one of the trending laser facial of our clinic, that is a Blueberry Phoenix laser. It is a part of Harmony Axel Pro machine. How it works by resurfacing the skin, improves the texture, reduces the scar and promotes the collagen production. Indication: it is used in various type of the acne scar like rolling, pit scar, box scar, as well as for stretch mark, sagging of the skin, uneven tone and superficial pigmentation. Downtime: this procedure has a downtime of 5 to 7 days. Initially, there is a mild redness as well as swelling of the skin. It will last for 1 or 2 days. After that, the patient will feel the mild dryness as well as fleckiness of the skin. Once the downtime is over, patient feels the soft and smooth texture of the skin along with some tightening effect, as well as there is a reduction in the acne scar also. Number of session depends on the condition and depth of the acne scar. Post procedure care: apply antibiotic cream and moisturizer along with a sunscreen. Limit your sun exposure, as well as avoid any exfoliating cream and retinol containing cream for at least 5 to 7 days, and avoid wearing a makeup at least for 48 hours. Thank you. If you like this video and you have any question, comment below and subscribe our YouTube channel.